You wake up one morning and notice something's different. No morning erection. Maybe it happens once and you don't think much of it. But if it keeps happening, it could be your body trying to tell you something. While missing morning wood occasionally is normal, a consistent decline can sometimes be associated with poor sleep, stress, circulation issues, or lower testosterone levels. Testosterone is one of the most important hormones in the male body. It affects your energy, mood, muscle growth, sex drive, and overall health. When levels are lower than normal, many men notice they feel tired even after a full night's sleep, struggle to stay motivated, lose strength in the gym, or simply don't feel like themselves. The good news is that your daily habits can have a major impact. First, focus on sleep. This is probably the most underrated testosterone booster there is. Most testosterone production happens while you're sleeping, so if you're only getting 5 or 6 hours a night, you're limiting your body's ability to recover. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Keep your room dark, avoid caffeine in the afternoon, stick to a regular sleep schedule, and get outside for some morning sunlight soon after waking up. Next, pay attention to your body composition. Carrying excess body fat can affect hormone balance because fat tissue contains an enzyme that converts some testosterone into estrogen. On the other hand, getting extremely lean through aggressive dieting can also reduce testosterone. The goal isn't to be shredded, it's to maintain a healthy, sustainable physique. Exercise is another key factor. If you want to support healthy testosterone levels, prioritize heavy compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, rows, pull-ups, and overhead presses. These exercises recruit large muscle groups and provide a strong training stimulus. If lifting weights isn't an option, high-intensity sprint intervals can also be an effective addition to your routine. Diet matters too. Testosterone is made from cholesterol, so your body needs enough healthy fats and quality nutrition. Include foods like eggs, lean meats, olive oil, avocados, nuts, and other whole foods as part of a balanced diet. Avoid relying on processed junk food and keep alcohol consumption moderate since excessive drinking can negatively affect hormone production and recovery. Finally, don't ignore stress. Chronic stress raises cortisol, and when cortisol stays elevated for long periods, it can interfere with many normal processes in the body. Taking time each day to relax, go for a walk, meditate, journal, or simply unplug from constant notifications can improve both mental and physical health. There isn't a magic pill that fixes testosterone overnight. The biggest improvements usually come from consistently doing the basics well. Sleeping enough, eating nutritious food, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy body weight, and managing stress. Do those things consistently, and you'll be giving your body the best chance to perform at its highest level every single day.